Welcome to the world of programming, where algorithms serve as the building blocks of innovation and problem solving. Let's delve into the fascinating realm of algorithms and their diverse applications in the field of computer science and software development. Sorting algorithms. Imagine organizing a vast library of information effortlessly. Sorting algorithms like bubble sort, quicksort, and merge sort are the silent librarians that arrange data in a specific order, be it ascending or descending. Searching algorithms. In the vast sea of information, searching algorithms such as linear search and binary search act as navigators, helping us find the presence or absence of a target value in a collection of data. Graph algorithms. Entities connected like nodes and edges in a web of relationships are analyzed and manipulated using graph algorithms. Dive into the world of depth-first search, breadth-first search, and Dijkstra's algorithm to Dynamic programming. Ever wondered how computers optimize tasks? Dynamic programming, with examples like Fibonacci sequence calculation and solving shortest path problems, is the mastermind behind optimizing recursive algorithms by storing and reusing intermediate results. Greedy algorithms. In the pursuit of finding global optima, greedy algorithms, such as Huffman coding and Dijkstra's algorithm, make locally optimal choices at each stage, painting a strategic path toward efficiency. Divide and conquer algorithms. Break down complex problems into manageable pieces with divide and conquer algorithms. Examples like merge sort and quicksort showcase how recursive solutions combine to conquer challenges. Machine learning algorithms. In the age of data, machine learning algorithms like linear regression, decision trees, and neural networks empower computers to learn patterns, make predictions, and influence decisions. Hashing algorithms. Data integrity is crucial. Hashing algorithms like MD5 and SHA-256 convert data into fixed-size strings, providing a unique signature for verification and indexing. Encryption algorithms. In the realm of security, encryption algorithms like AES and RSA encode sensitive information, ensuring it can only be decrypted with the appropriate key for secure transmission and storage. Network algorithms. Picture a vast digital landscape. Network algorithms, from routing to flow control, efficiently manage and transfer data between nodes, ensuring seamless connectivity. The impact on life. The fusion of technology and programming has become inseparable from our daily lives. Algorithms drive the software on our devices, manage transportation systems, optimize healthcare, refine financial strategies, and facilitate efficient communication and education. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Until next time, happy coding!